There is a rhythm in the soil of KwaZulu-Natal. Can you feel it? It is not just the heartbeat of the drum. It is the heartbeat of a nation waking up to September, when the winter sheds its gray skin and the hills of Nongoma turn their faces to the sun. The maidens come. They do not just walk, they flow like tributaries feeding a great river. Thousands of sunflowers blooming in motion, carrying the history of a people in the palms of their hands. They carry the Umkhosi. The reed, long, slender, resilient, cut from the riverbed where the water runs deep. It is not just a plant. It is a promise, a symbol of purity held high against the blue sky, connecting the earth below to the heavens above. Look at the colors. Beads that speak a language older than words, the Izigeja and Izindlamu, a kaleidoscope of red, white, and blue, singing songs of transition, from childhood to womanhood, from the playful breeze to the steady wind.